I'm not gonna lie, this chart scares me. I'm gonna talk about what it could mean for Bitcoin and what we need to do to avoid all the chaos that this chart could cause. Hit that subscribe button. My name is Steve. Do you wish your financial situation was better? Do you want to recover those losses? Wouldn't it be great if there was something simple and easy that could help you turn it all around? Not only do I have your solution, I just made it 75% off for a limited time only to celebrate the holidays. Introducing our largest sale of the year. Go to cryptocrewuniversity.com. A massive 75% off on our all-in-one, the one that everybody loves. Now, a lot of people are wanting to improve their financial situation, just like Phil S. Phil was just like you, wanting to improve his financial situation. He went to cryptocrewuniversity.com. He signed up to the all-in-one, and he called it the best investment he's ever made in his life and worth every penny. I want you to be the next Phil. Go to cryptocrewuniversity.com, 75% off on the all-in-one, or you can get the course bundle at 65% off, or the indicator bundle at 65, or everything at 75% off. Sign up right here. If you have any questions, info@cryptocrewuniversity.com. Let's go. Largest sale of the year, but only for a limited time. Let's jump back into this chart. This is the Fear and Greed Index. Shout out to the Fear and Greed Index. But something major is happening with the Fear and Greed Index, and it's coming to a real pivotal breaking point, right? Back here in our days of November 2020, all the way till February 2021, we were at our highs. We had the most greed that we've ever had, and we stayed up there for quite a while. And it was a pretty big downfall, right? We had our highs here. We had our lower highs here. We had more lower highs back in March of 2022. We had another lower high back in August of this year, and most recently back in November of this year. So we've been making lower highs literally since the beginning of 2021, right? Similar to what we stated with the trending line, this trend line for Bitcoin, right? It's very, very similar, where we're literally at a pressure cooker area and something's gonna break. One of the things to watch is this 20 level. We've been respecting the hell out of it, since we broke above here back in July. And you can see in September holding that 20 level, and all the way through September, all the way through October, all the way through November, holding that 20 line. But something's got to give. If we continue this trend line down, we could plummet back down to this area, which we hadn't been since the middle of the year. If Bitcoin were to break this 20 level and be in real extreme fear, that means the market will plummet. And this will be a very large plummet in prices. If we dropped from where we are now to 13.7, it would be this kind of a plummet in prices, which it's either going to play out that way, where we break this 20 level that we've been holding for a few months and have our final capitulation down, marking another market bottom here, or Bitcoin would have to get first above here. It would have to change trends. It would have to do something it hasn't done in a couple of years. It would have to make a higher high. Our most recent high was right over here in November. We would need the Fear and Greed Index to get above 40. If it got above 50, it would be a major sign that the momentum has altered, has started to shift to the upside. Again, in a bear market, you need a lot of momentum coming into the market, and it's not the snap of a finger. It's a really methodical thing that has to take place, because we've had such downtrending energy in Bitcoin for 2 years. We've got to reverse that trend. It's going to take time. We've been building a beautiful base, and one catalyst that could help Bitcoin a little bit is what we discussed before, that buy signal, but more importantly, that weekly stochastic RSI. If this weekly stochastic RSI starts to build our momentum to have this bullish divergence play out, that could be our catalyst to try to get us above here. Or we're going to have that to visit that 13.7. Okay, something's going to break. It's a big pressure cooker coming, but it's going to play out right here. The Fear and Greed Index is a really telltale sign of where the market is heading. So pay close attention to this. We'll be keeping you up to date, but watch that 20 level and watch that 40 level. Something's going to break, either the 20 level or the 40 level. If we break the 40 level, it's really good things coming for Bitcoin. If we break that 20 level, it's going to get ugly, and it's going to get ugly quick. The bear market will last even longer than we anticipated. Hit that subscribe button. I'll see you right back here in the next video. Peace and love.